welcome back to the channel and good morning. Well, it's early on a Sunday morning. I've just woken up the neighbours getting the car out of the garage, but obviously it only means one thing: we're going to a car meet, car show. So this is Podium place. I've never been. It looks absolutely cool on their Facebook. This was arranged by Salone events. We're going to meet up with a couple of people near the event and then we're all going to drive in together. Right, let's get going. Okay, so I've just spoken to Paul and they're about 4 miles away, so they should be here any minute. So I'm just going to pan you round so you can see them pulling in. Here they are.
Drive Smart Guardian.
Look at that TVR. That is gorgeous.
GPS locked.
Oh.
When no one knows how it feels between disasters, it comes and goes. The life of dreams is moving
Okay, well there's our cars. We're parked up. We're just waiting for David to stop nattering for 5 seconds and we're going to go and grab a cup of coffee. Some gorgeous cars here.
Let's run away.
Right, should we go and grab a cup of coffee and have a look inside? Well, I think there's a queue. Yes, there is. Oh my God, XJ220. Look at that! Holy cow.
We're falling hard to find the answer. With this life we live, be all that matters. The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. And we'll never know. It's weighing me down, got my feet on the ground. Let's hide away from the lies and run away from the night. Let's run away.
Lovely Mustang. Look at that. Gorgeous. So I'm going to go and grab some coffee now. Listen to that Mustang. Very nice Scooby. 2 Scoobies. See, this is what I'm saying.
That colour.
That colour, definitely. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous car.
Factory gyro did both the spring, but he also did the clat and the 308 DG4. Do you want to have a look inside?
Love to. Wow. That's very, very cool. Not very often you get to see inside of one of them. It's a family thing going on, obviously.
We've got 3 in the family.
Yeah,
Jesus.
there's another one of these.
That's at home.
See, do you know something? I miss that smell of older cars.
The smell
don't-
of the
There's
80s.
nothing like
Yeah.
it.
Petrol and...
Exactly that. I went in there, went,
Hot oil
oh,
smell.
a proper car.
Yeah.
Oh, are they? No, a nice Evo. Look at the colour on this one. Absolutely epic. Gorgeous, gorgeous cars. Yeah, they did. You'll probably find out they bought it off of TVR. McLaren. Look at that.
The orange one needs sucked out.
Did you see that? Bit slippy slidey. There's me thinking you were car enthusiasts.
We are, but we're kind of getting older. We're seeing the
Oh,
future.
Gabbers are here.
Yeah.
Nice S15. It does me.
Yeah, because you know they're not making any more. You know, that's it. It's
Very, very cool NSX over here.
Is that
Look at this. Not for sale. That's epic, isn't it?
that is fun.
That is very, very cool.
It is.
See, do you know something? As soon as I'm not able to get in my car, I'll have one of these.
Pillarless coupe, yeah.
Such a cool car. I could see Ed owning something like that.
Yeah, totally. I've never seen anything like this before.
There's the 560 though. It's even got the plate, the 560 here. Gorgeous Lotus. I do love a Lotus. New GR Yaris.
Because they did the
So cool. It is V8.
It is, yeah.
Dude, I remember when that front was like so futuristic.
Because I was close to buying one of these. I did lots and lots of e-shows. They got the 4.6 Rover V8 in
Yeah.
them, but they re-engineered them from front-wheel drive to rear-wheel drive to accommodate the V8. So
I didn't
it's
know
got a
that.
huge, yeah, huge drive shaft down the middle of them.
But you know something? I'm sorry, it's still a 75.
It looks like the bug eye to me.
If it goes wrong, it's on the road. That's 6 gone.
Nice Evo coming through. Hold on. Hold on, ready? Do it again. Sounds lovely. Do you know what I think about the interior? All the aluminium parts, but even like the stalks and stuff.
Yeah, they're all sort of like, I think on the later models they were standard, on the earlier one.
They were after. That's nice as well. Yeah. Is that a black edition? Yeah, it is. A black series.
Blimey. Rare as well.
Goes sideways better than it goes forwards. This is awesome. Ferrari. Bond. James Bond.
He's nice.
Yeah.
You stand back here, that's a big wing. Very, very different. Different, isn't it?